your girl BNHarmony, and we're gonna get straight into this video today. As you know by the title, I'm going to be demonstrating how I wash and blow dry my hair. So right now I have my hair separated into 8 pieces on each side, and so right now I'm going to go ahead and put it up. I have my mixture of aloe vera juice, the Herbal Essence Hello Hydration Conditioner in a small bottle with a little bit of water. So right now I just separate my hair, go ahead and give it a loose and spray a little bit on my hair. I don't want to make it too wet, but just damp enough, because all we're going to do is detangle my hair. Finger detangling mostly, and then come in with a comb later. Now I'm going to come in with a little bit of coconut oil and coat my hair, because coconut oil really helps me to detangle my hair much easier. It helps to get all of the shedded hairs out prematurely before I have to go in with my fingers or a comb. And so now we're just going to take our comb, start with the ends. Always start with the ends and work your way up to the roots. Once that's all tangled thoroughly, I will make sure that I will go ahead and twist it up, and we just keep repeating the same steps as before, spraying it down, finger detangling, and combing the hair thoroughly through. I like to comb my hair thoroughly because it just makes the rest of the process much easier. As you can see, I have all my shedded hairs right here. It's not that many, and so let's go ahead and go wash. Now I have another bottle filled with half ACV, which is apple cider vinegar, and half water. I make sure I drench my hair in this. If you don't know, ACV and water can be a very good cleaning agent for your hair. It is totally organic and it does wonders for my scalp. It helps to regulate the pH levels and really get all that dirt from your scalp. And I use this definitely to wash my hair now, and I love the way that it feels afterwards. Now I'm going to use my Vanity Planet brush that I've had for years. It really helps me get into the scalp, scrub it without tearing my scalp up with my nails. But it had these silicone pieces on the end that really helps to break up the dirt even more. Go ahead and rinse that out, and then we're going to step in with our shampoo. Now the shampoo that we'll be using is by OGX. It is the Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo, and I like to use this shampoo after I do a clarifying, because the ACV mix is considered a clarifying cleaning agent for your head, and so this kind of puts the moisture back into my hair. And I only kind of use this on a topical shampoo just to get it really foamy and clean and an overall nice texture and soft. Now I'm going to put these up and start with our conditioning. We're going to use the Joico K-Pack deep conditioner. It definitely works wonders on my hair. It makes my hair completely soft and hydrated for a very long time. This little bottle here, I should have gotten something bigger, because I practically use like 75% of this bottle just on this, and I like to drench my hair in conditioner, girl. I go ahead and comb it through with the conditioner in it just a few times, and then twist it up and put it away to get ready for a deep conditioner under the dryer later. Now we're just going to put that thing and repeat on the other side. Now that we're all done, as you can see, 75% of that bottle is on my head. But we're going to go ahead and wrap our hair in some shower caps. So we're going to sit under the dryer for maybe about 30 to 45 minutes. And I use my baby bliss, and this little piece I got from Amazon. It is a dryer hood. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, my beautiful people. I thought I would just come along and to make sure that you guys press like, subscribe, and share this video if you wouldn't mind. Now, I'm going to take this self-care and continue on with our video. Toodles! I'm going to talk the rest of this so we can just go ahead and get this done. I'm going to go ahead and put in my leave-in conditioner. Now, the leave-in conditioner that I normally use, I ran out and I can't get any more until later on today. But I normally use the True leave-in conditioner, and you guys can see it's completely out. So what I'm going to do, I used to use this leave-in conditioner religiously, but it's a little too wet
I needed something with a little bit more thickness, so I mixed this with another thick leave-in conditioner. This is the Fructis Aloe Air Cream leave-in conditioner, and I think this is the clean collection from Fructis in the States. That's what I think it's called. Here's the Aloe Air Dry Cream, but it'll have air dry cream in the description on the bottle, and it's in this blue bottle, and it has little aloes on it. So if you see this is definitely it, and I think it's the clean line. And then I'm just going to use the Kinky Curly Knot today. This is a throwback. People used to use this all the time, and I just so happen to have this, you know, enough left that I mix these two because it's like the right consistency. Kind of gives me the same consistency that the true leave-in conditioner give me. So I'm going to be mixing these two as my leave-in conditioner, and then I go in with my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie as my moisture. That is also a throwback. I've been using that for years. And then my handy dandy homemade DIY oil. All I do is pretty much take out the twist that I made. Like I said, I keep these twists in the entire time. I do not take them out until I put in some product, and then I'll twist it right back up. These same twists are already sectioned enough for me to blow dry it. I want this dry a little bit. So yeah, this I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. That's about a nickel size, and I'll do about 1 squirt of that, and that should be good for this section. I don't want to coat it too much with product, otherwise it's going to take too long to dry. But I'll work that in. This stuff smells so freaking good. This aloe, it smells really good. I use it on my son's hair as a daily leave-in moisturizer for his hair, and his curls pop right back into place every time I use it. And this time I'll just finger detangle that in. Make sure you get your ends. And then I'll go in with a little bit of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I'll probably use about that much. Don't want to product overload. And then I'll put my oil. I don't shy on the oil. I will put as much oil as I want to because I really want that moisture to seal in properly. So yeah, that's basically what I do. I just twist it all the way to the end, make sure the ends are nice. Normally I would like take my Tangle Teezer and like comb out the ends if I was doing like a twist out of something to make sure that the curls can pop on the ends, but since I'm not, I'm just gonna twist that and put it away because ultimately I just want it to dry 65% before I actually blow dry it. Hey y'all, so I'm back. It's been about 6 or 7 hours since I did the leave-in conditioner stuff in my hair. We went out and did some family things, and so now I'm back tired as all get out because it's now 10:30. I want to go to bed, but I don't want to wait until the morning to do this because I don't want the hair to be too dry. So I just had it in this and a wrap over it, and so now I'm just gonna take this down so it's still damp, which is good. Oh, that feels so good. So this blow dry procedure that I normally do is not too evasive on my hair because I always start off on cool, and then I'll pass through it with heat a few times, and that'll be it. Roots of my hair are dry-ish. They're dry, but the ends aren't. So this is my hair, still a little damp. I use this Tresemme Platinum Strength, and this is a hair protector. I've been using this for years. So I'll spray just some of that on there, work that in, and then I'll go in with a smoothing serum from Mizani, the Thermosmooth Smooth Guard. Literally only need just a little, okay, just a little, because technically it is like an oil. So I just literally, I don't even know if you can see how small that is. Literally a little. Don't want a lot of product on there, but enough to coat it. Because the blow dry I'm using is the Revlon paddle dryer. This is, I think this is real hot like a year or 2 years ago. Everyone was buying this, and I love it. It makes the time go down by half. It used to take me like 3 hours to blow dry my hair with my Baby Bliss blow dryer and a powder brush. But this takes me about an hour. So what I do first is I start off on cool. It has these settings: off, cool, low, and high. I'm just gonna start off with cool first. So this is what the hair looks like just drying on cool. And then I'm going to go into high and make a few passes right at the roots area, and then just maybe 1 or 2 pass throughout the hair to kind of get it a little bit straighter, especially like at the ends. Okay, so that's it. This is it dried on hot, just a few passes, not too much. And did you see how I was able to get through the hair quicker? I noticed that instead of you blow drying your hair this way, that way is dangerous for your hair, because if you tell by the bristles, it's a lot tighter to get looser to tighter hair. You'll end up probably snagging your hair a lot more versus you going this way, and your hair can pass through a lot easier. I learned that little tip from watching the Glam Twins on YouTube. So yeah, do it vertically and not horizontally. 2, you'll get more area space doing it vertically, making the dry time go down a little bit more. Just gonna twist that back up. I'm keeping the same twist. And that's why I love to keep the twist in my hair the entire time, because I don't need to do any more parting. I don't need to do any much of combing. Yeah, I just use the same twist as I put in from the beginning of my wash. Just got 1 more on this side to go. This is actually taking a lot less time. I'm already halfway through, and I think it's only been like 20 minutes of me doing this. All right, so I am done blow drying this mane of mine. And this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna twist this last little piece, and I'm going to sleep in these twists just like so. Put a really tight headband on around my edges to make sure I don't sweat it out too much. This is what it looks like. I think I'm gonna take out one side because I have to still take the thumbnail picture, so I'm gonna take out one side. And so this is one side, all blow dried. You see the twist out already quickly. Ooh, that would be a nice little look. Oh snap. Yeah, that would be a nice little look. I love how shiny it looks. Oh, that Mizani smoothing, thermal smooth, it really makes it feel like really like bouncy and really moisturized. At the same time, it's a smoothing serum, but it worked with the blow dry. It does not feel dry, it does not feel brittle. It still has a whole lot of body. And so yeah, that is what it looks like. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate you. I love you all. Please stay safe out there in those streets. Let me know if you like anything in this video, if you have any critique for me, anything that you would like to see as far as hair videos is concerned. Let me know right in the description box. I am open ears. I am open to receiving your thoughts and what you're pretty much interested in. Please don't forget to like this video, because the more you like, the more I can, you know, get up in the algorithm of YouTube. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. You guys can help me do that. If you like and subscribe, make sure that you share if you like this content. I love you all, and always remember that happiness is healthy and happiness is beauty.